This video was created using completely free tool. And you know the amazing part? I'm going to show you how to do that right now. And you all asked different questions in my last video where I showed you how to use this tool. So I'll be responding to that. But before then, let me show you exactly how I created this for free. And you can generate as long as you want. And not just that, you can use it to create your faceless videos. There's another new tool called NotebookLM. It will help faceless creators so well. And I'm going to be also showing you how to use that tool. But before then, let's create our talking video first. Are you excited? Let's jump right into the video. Okay, so first thing first, of course you know that you first of all have your images, okay? So let me go ahead and download my image. Okay, so right here we go. This is a father and a son, Igbo, of course. So now let's head straight to the tool, the free AI tool that you're going to be using for this exact video. It is YouTube, yes. And if you have not downloaded or updated your YouTube app, make sure to update it right now. I have also made a full video on how you can start a faceless YouTube channel. Like, this is a free course that I took out my time to do. This is it right here. I will leave it in the comment section and also in the description box. Once you are done with this video, use the skills you have learned and go watch that free course. So you will start creating your faceless video right now, okay? You're welcome. You don't need to thank me. So right now, we are inside the YouTube app. All you need to do is to click on this plus sign right here. This AI stuff right here. Okay. And then it will bring out this interface. Do not panic. I'm going to walk you through this right now. So all you need to do is to click on this create video. And voila, this is what it will show you. Simply click on add image and then select the exact image that you want. You can type in what you want it to say, but I already have mine right here. So I'll just scroll down and get what I want them to say. You can simply type it, further doing this and that. And again, there's something I used to use. It is called negative prompt. Because most times, no matter how you prompt this AI, it will So all I do, once I'm done typing my prompt, I'll add what is called negative prompt. It is simply telling it, this is what I do not want you to do, especially when you're telling it, the father should say this. So sometimes it will make the two people to be talking, which is not what you want. What is the need for that negative prompt? You go ahead to type, do not make the two images to talk at the same time. Okay, that thing that you do not want it to do, go ahead and type it, right? It will help you a whole lot, even more than you think. You are welcome. And if you want me to make a full video explaining negative prompt and any prompt, like there are so many prompts, there is Jason prompts, there's a whole lot. If you would like to learn more about prompting, simply comment prompt in the comment section. And if I get a lot of prompts, I will make a video on that. But if I don't get a lot of it, I'll assume you don't need it. That is how we do here, right? Okay, so right now I'll paste my prompt right here and then send. Yeah, so right now let me answer your questions. Wait. So I have to write them down because if I don't write it, I might actually forget some of the questions. Okay, so the first question says, while we're waiting for our video to generate right here, somebody asks if you can do this exact thing that I'm doing now with your laptop. The answer is no. YouTube will still roll out the features for laptop users, but right now you can only do this using your phone. It is only for the phone for now. So this thing that we are creating right now, you cannot do it with your phone. Okay?
I raised you better than this. Why are you wasting your life?
Let's reduce the volume for now. You cannot do this right now. You cannot create videos with your laptop just the same way we are doing. For now, it is not available for laptop users. So you have to drop your laptop and use your phone. The second question was, for iPhone users, they're asking, can they do this exact thing? And the answer is yes. You can use your iPhone to create this thing that I just did right now. Just follow along and create your video, okay? And then for Android, I'm using Android, as you can see. Okay, so yes, And again, to download this video, alright, all you simply need to do is, you see this drop down right here. All you need to do is to simply click on this three dots. You will see save to device. You simply tap on it and it will save into your phone. I'm using Android, but for iPhone users, you cannot save it to your phone. You can only post it. Yes, but what will you do? I will recommend that you screen record everything. Okay, screen record it. It will not be that perfect, but you can crop it. Maybe I'll show you at the end of this video how to crop it and then post it. Okay, so that's it for Android and for iPhone. You can do this with your iPhone, but you cannot download into your phone just the way I did now. But you can, I will show you how to crop it. You screen record it and then crop it. What other questions? Okay, I've answered. And how to upload to Shorts. Okay, if you want to upload this video to Shorts, simply click on next right here. Click on next and then add your captions, right? Your title, right? If you want to create more videos before you upload, click on this edit, right? Let me go back right here to the video we created. All you need to do is to simply click on edit, then click on this plus sign. You can import the image and then, make it to talk, add voiceover or whatever you need to do. This is how you edit it and then post it. Okay, so this is it right here to create videos using YouTube. You understand it now, right? You can add more. If you want to add more, simply click on this plus sign and then add whatever you want. You can also add voiceover to read. Okay, add text, add captions. There's a whole lot of options for you to choose right here. Okay, so once you are done with that, you upload your video. So now the next thing is for me to show you how to use NotebookLM to get faster results for your faceless videos. After which I will play this video for you. The tool is called NotebookLM and I'm already in love with it and I will tell you why. Now, once you type NotebookLM, just simply type NotebookLM. This is it right here. Click on create new right here. Faceless creators, you people should thank me in the comment section. I don't want to hear, just thank me because you see this tool. Of course, you have to subscribe to this channel because I'll be bringing lots of updates that is going to help you to start your faceless journey very easily. Like, you don't need to stress. So, make sure you are subscribed to Success Amarachi here on YouTube. Okay, so right now, this is all you need to do. They'll ask you to search, but I'll first add my sources. Okay, so they said search the web for news sources. How do we do this? I'll go to YouTube. This is not just for faceless creators. So I'll go to this faceless channel right here. Right here, I will click on these three dots and click on share and copy the link of this YouTube video. Let's assume that I want to start creating videos like this. Okay, you are a new person. You just want to start creating videos that looks like that of this channel. So go back, copy the link, go back here, click here and then paste your source. Then I'll click on this send right here. It has added to our source. I'll click on sources right here. Can you see it? I'll remove this one. Okay, I have added the first source, which is the YouTube video link. I'll go back and then copy the YouTube link, the YouTube itself. I'll copy the link. I'll click on share and then copy the channel link. You get? I'll come back here and still click on add source and then I'll paste the link to the channel and then save it. Okay, so I will go back to chat. Right now in the charts, you can see the channel name. It is a platform, blah blah blah, a woman. It will start analyzing the channel even before you ask a question. You see this Google tool, NotebookLM. It is beautiful, as you can see. So right now, all you simply need to tell it, since it's already analyzing it. I want you to help me organize my first video. with this method that this channel is using. So it already knows everything about the channel and will help you build your face or faceless channel, whatever channel that you admire, that you want to start creating videos like them. So you don't need to worry about anything. You just need to add the channel link. You can copy much videos. You can add even Google so that it will help you do deep research. And that is all. Right now, I wanted to show you how to screen record, but in my next video, I'll make a full video showing you how to edit faceless videos. It will just be all about editing your AI content. So watch out for my next video on how to edit faceless AI videos or AI videos, alright? So you will learn everything about editing AI videos. I hope that helps, right? And I know you need it, so I'll go ahead and make a video. If you have any question, let me know in the comments so I can be able to include them in my next video.
I raised you better than this. Why are you wasting your life?
I'm not wasting my life, Dad. I'm trying my best.
I am success, and of course, I wish you nothing but success. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also encourage me in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, just say thank you to encourage me to bring more videos like this. Alright? Bye.